extrude it, rotate it, extrude, now rotate it, okay. Now select this top polygon, extrude it, make sure that you have extrude by polygon, extruded, now again I apply extrude command, extrude by polygon, extruded, extruded, now let me apply the turbo smooth. Now you can see the still what I am going to do, I will extrude the 4 thumbs near to the one big thumb, the 5th thumb. Select the polygons, the main thumb 4 fingers polygon, and extrude it. Okay, now we apply turbo smooth. Now you can see 4 fingers inside and 1 thumb which is outside. Now this is very good mark. With a hand you can see it. Now let me render it. Let me first apply the material. I will apply the gold material which I like. Although metals I like chrome polished, copper polished and gold. 3 materials I like. I will apply the gold, this time gold 24k, this one gold 24k I will apply. Metal gold 24k. Now apply UVW map. Now apply the V-Ray camera in the scene. Now film speed, make it as 240 from 100, 240, and shutter speed from 200 to 40. Place a dome light. Now let me place a dome light over here. Now select V-Ray camera 1 and from here V-Ray camera. Go to render setup. Let me minimize this one. Now from here select V-Ray camera 1, render scene. Now you can see the hand. Now with this tutorial I have completed. I have told you how to make the very good thumb mark, how to make it. I'll be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is for similar graphics and architectural designer. Have a good day. Bye.